Hey everybody, welcome back, and apologize for being away for a little bit. Took a bit of a hiatus, had some work stuff to do, and just a lot of time spent in the garage doing some other cool stuff, working on my truck, working on my cars, and that sort of thing. But what's going on now is I found this really cool set because I've got a number of Lego pieces and a number of UCS Lego sets that I want to display in a really nice way, and I'm going to build a nice shelf for it so they all kind of fit neatly in a little area, and hopefully I'll bring that to you soon when that does happen. But I saw this, and this was a promotion by Lego in which you had to spend $75 or more, and they would give this to you for free. Well, if you go on Bricklink, and you can find one of these completely sealed, as I have here, completely still sealed. And what it is, it's one of their giveaways, and I got it for 20 bucks. So shipped to my place. So not too bad considering the piece count of 195 pieces. So what we're looking at here is the 40333 Battle of Hoth 20th Anniversary Edition. Pretty cool. I thought it looked really neat, and I thought it would look really good with my other UCS collection pieces that I have. So I have Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. I also have the Imperial Walker, the two-legged thingy, and then also the Imperial Star Destroyer, the big, like 3-foot-long guy. So that one's going to be in my wheelhouse as well. So I'm very excited to build that shelf to display everything with some lights and some stuff. You'll see. It's going to be cool. So anyway, what I thought I'd do is I just kind of go through what you get with this. Little playset. Again, 200 pieces. My favorite scene in all the Star Wars movies. This one right here. Nice shot, Jackson. Anyway, we have a lot of fun here. So anyway, I'll put this together, have a little bit of fun, and I did notice building toy. And is it really a building toy, or is it an action adventure set of building and recreation? I don't know, but I have a lot of fun with it regardless of what they call it. So anyway, here we go. We'll put it together. We'll have a good little time, and give you a looky-loo at the very end here. So, all right, let's do it. Basically got just 3 bags, nothing much to it, and a fairly small instruction booklet. Put that aside for now. Got Tachkoma there, keeping watch, and yeah, let's do it. There you have it, all finished, 197 pieces, and of course the ubiquitous extra little Lego that comes with every single one. It took me about 20 minutes or so, but I don't know, I think it's going to look really cool when you got this 20th anniversary deal, and I didn't want to spend 75 bucks. There was nothing in the Lego catalog that I needed to have, and I'm kind of at this point in my life where A, I'm running out of space for my Lego, and B, you know, it's got to be monumental build for me to want to do it. So I've got the huge Millennium 7,000 piece Millennium Falcon just waiting for like the right time, you know, but I'm kind of at this point where I'm not going to spend 75 bucks just to get one of these when I can just go on Bricklink and get one myself. I think it's going to be a really cool addition to the kind of just the aesthetic of what I'm going for, but here you go. Stands on its own. You got your little walker right here. He goes on one of the little studs. You've got two of your little TIE fighters there, and of course you got the shield generator here, if I can get you a close-up of that. Little cool mini diorama. I think it's pretty neat. I think it's going to look really good. I kind of had to have it a little bit because I think it's going to work really well, but again, usual sources prevail, because I didn't have to spend the full 75 bucks to get this one as an add-on. So yeah, I'm kind of at this point where it's got to be a really large, fairly expensive, fairly complicated build. But have you noticed, this is something that I've noticed, is the instructions are way easier than they used to be. They've got, you know, directions now, and they really slow it down. Because I remember when there would be no direction, and you would just kind of have to guess at what you thought was going to happen, or you would have to look to see what changed in each of the directions. I don't know if those were, you know, that's a product of being hand drawn and have to be, you know, now they're computer mated. I don't know if that's the product of that, or they were just harder. I know they were harder. There's somebody on one of the Lego subreddits who said that Lego instructions have in fact gotten harder over time, and the opposite, have gotten easier over time and were harder much back, you know, when we were kids. So I don't know. I'd kind of like to harken back to that. I think it would be kind of neat. I think that's part of the fun, is kind of looking at the picture and seeing what's different, you know, what has changed in it. But I get it. I understand why they changed it for the better in this way. So I'm not complaining all in all, but just a comment about the instructions themselves. Again, here you go. We'll do one final close-up. You get your 20th anniversary logo there. Okay, I think it's going to be a cool little diorama. So I got pretty large hands. It's about, let's see, it's about 8 inches, about 7 inches, I'd say, because my wingspan's about 9. So it's about 7 inches by 5, give or take. You know, 4 or so inches tall. I think it's gonna be it's cute. It's a nice little diorama. Got your two TIE fighters there going after the Imperial Walker. You know, the pew 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 part of it. And yes, you have to make the noises when you play with it. So anyway, hope this was fun, and catch you guys later. See ya.